KBOI 2 News, first at 4.
Well, thanks for joining us on KBOI 2 News in HD. I'm Natalie Hurst.
And I'm Brent Hunsaker. You know, this man, Tommy Alhquist, is known as the man who broke the curse of that hole at 8th and Main in Boise. Put up a nice big building there.
He did. KBOI 2's Scott Logan is live. He's at the Idaho State House to tell us how the former ER doctor is now setting his sights on Idaho's top job. Scott?
Alhquist says he wants to be governor so he can continue to serve the people of Idaho. And he says people should get used to seeing these bumper stickers around because he's planning on taking his message all over Idaho. A packed house today atop Zion's Bank as developer Tommy Alhquist announced he's running for governor. More than 200 supporters gathered to cheer for the man who calls himself a conservative Republican.
It's also those same principles in this great state that have made it such a great state. Those conservative principles that we live our lives by.
Alhquist says he will bring a fresh approach to leading the state.
I believe that it's my experiences as a small businessman, as a physician, as a husband and a father that qualify me and have prepared me to take this next step and ask for you to trust me as your next governor.
He says his experience as an ER doctor will help him improve health care in Idaho.
I worked as an emergency room doctor for 18 years, and I've seen more than 40,000 patients during that time. Many of those patients were in rural Idaho.
And he says he knows how to create jobs because he's done it as a developer.
I understand our economy. I understand how to create jobs, not because I've read about it in a report, not because it's theory to me, it's because I've done it.
Alhquist says despite task forces and good intentions, Idaho's public education system continues to fail many children and their families.
But what is needed more than anything, and I believe this with all my heart, is leadership from the top. I promise a culture of excellence that will begin in the governor's office and then will chase away mediocrity at every level of education in this state.
And the many supporters who attended his kickoff event today say he's a man of his word.
He has the same values that I have, and nobody gets things done as fast or as well as Tommy does.
He'll tackle all the problems that Idaho has, and he will make it happen.
And immediately after his campaign announcement, he took off on the campaign trail, going to Idaho Falls, Kimberly, and Coeur d'Alene to keep spreading his message. Live at the State House, Scott Logan, KBOI 2 News.
Alhquist joins two other Republicans running for governor. Lieutenant Governor Brad Little has already announced his bid. Little is an Emmett native and has served in the State House since 2001. Also, former Idaho Senator Russ Fulcher is running again. He narrowly lost to Governor Otter in the primary back in 2014.